high in the sky, where clouds float free. There lived a cloud who was different from all the others.
His name was Grayson, and he had never, ever smiled.
High in the sky lived Grayson, a cloud who enjoyed his solitude.
Good. I like being alone.
Sunny, Fluffy, Cotton, and Misty float together laughing and playing tag. Tag!
You're it, Fluffy.
And so, Fluffy spun around and transformed into a funny shape.
Whee!
Hey, there's Grayson. Let's invite him. Good idea. Everyone should have friends. Good morning, Grayson. Want to play tag in the rainbows with us?
No, you're all too silly, too loud, too happy. Leave me alone. But
We just want to be your friend.
I don't need friends. Friends are annoying. Now go away.
Okay, Grayson. If you change your mind, we'll be over there. The other clouds tried every day to be Grayson's friend, but every day he pushed them away.
Who needs them anyway? Being alone is better. Nobody bothers me. Nobody annoys me. Just me, myself, and I.
Huh? Why are you sitting on me? I don't usually help anyone.
I'm so thirsty. I haven't had water in 2 whole days. I'm trying to get home to my babies. They're waiting for me. But I can't fly anymore.
Hey, don't fall asleep. That's dangerous up here. I don't know how to help. I've never helped anyone before.
I'm just a grumpy old cloud who doesn't even know how to make rain.
Please try. Even just one little drop. You're bigger and stronger than you think. I believe in you.
You believe in me?
Yeah.
But I'm not nice. I'm grumpy.
You don't have to be alone, Grayson.
We're right here with you. See? It feels nicer when we're together. We're happy when you smile, Grayson.
Thank you. I feel better now.
See, Grayson? Being together feels nice.
I'm so thirsty. I can't fly anymore.
I want to help, but I don't know how.
You don't have to do it alone, Grayson.
We're all right here with you. I'm so thirsty.
Grayson, maybe you can help. Yay, Grayson!
That's perfect, thank you.
See, Grayson? Your rain helps her.
Thank you, everyone. I feel so happy.
See? Helping each other makes the world brighter.